Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making a very special cookie which is made especially during Chinese New Year, which is peanut cookies. They're absolutely delicious to eat and a must make during New Year's. Let's get started. I'm going to show you how to make these wonderful cookies so that it will brighten and make your New Year very prosperous. Alright then, let's get started. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and view all my recipes for free. Also, don't forget to click on the bell icon so that you get notification about the next recipe that I will be posting on my channel. And also, don't forget to like and share the recipe. I'm going to start by taking 1 cup of peanuts and I'm going to roast it, dry roast the peanut. You can also take these peanuts and put them in the oven and roast it. The peanuts are now ready. They're nicely toasted. Okay, as you can see, they're already turned brown. What I'm going to do is I'm going to cool them up first and then take off the outer shells. This is the texture that I want. I want you to, once the peanut is nicely powdered, I'm going to start using it. Make sure you only powder the peanuts and not over blend it because it will turn into peanut butter then. Okay, so my peanut is now ready. Let's move to the next step. Same cup that I measured the peanut, I'm going to take the same 1 cup sugar and put it in my blender and powder my sugar as well. Or you could use 1 cup icing sugar. Go. My sugar is ready as well. I'm now going to empty this up in my mixing bowl. Let me get it here, where my peanuts have been placed. Alright. The same measuring cup, I'm going to add 1.5 cup of flour, all-purpose flour. That's 1.5 cup. Okay. Then mix it well. That's flour, sugar, and peanut flour, which I've ground. Okay. Now to this, I'm going to add a pinch of salt. Okay. Just a small pinch of salt and mix it again. And lastly, I'm going to add about a cup of oil, the same measuring cup that I've used. I'm going to use 1 cup of oil and gradually add that little by little, and then make my dough. Alright, so let's start mixing it well. Okay, don't add the oil all together at once, add it gradually and make your dough. Alright, let's add a little bit more now oil. Again, I'm going to mix it well. Alright, you can see the dough forming slowly, and the little last bit which is left, I'm going to add now that oil. Start using my hands as well to make the dough. Let's add the oil as well now. Okay, the little bit oil that is left, I'm going to add the remaining oil now and show you how the dough looks like once it's ready. Okay, alright, let's add the remaining oil. Okay, alright, so that's 1 cup of oil, the same measuring cup. Here you go, the peanut cookie dough is now ready. Let's start making them into shapes and baking it. Let's start making those cookies. I've taken about 1 teaspoon spoon. Okay, I'm going to put this in the spoon like so. Okay, and drop it on my baking sheet. Okay, now to this, what I'm going to do is take a funnel and shape it like this. Okay, let's make one more and I'll show you. Taken 1 teaspoon of the cookie dough. Okay, press it nicely. Alright, so here you go. And then take the funnel and shape it this way. Alright, so I'm going to complete all the rest of the dough and get back to you. Alright, and show you how my cookies look like once they're all ready. Next, I'm going to quickly go ahead and give it an egg wash to all my cookies. I'll put them in the oven now. They are going to be baked in a preheated oven at about 170 degrees Celsius for about 15 to 20 minutes. Do keep checking your oven. If the sides are brown, that means it's ready. So here you go. My cookies are now ready. They've been baking in the oven for about 20 minutes and now I've cooled them as well and served them in my plates. Look how wonderful they look. They're now to be served during New Year's. I'm going to put them in my airtight container and use them during New Year's. So let's start by tasting one of the cookies. Look how they look. Okay, we'll try it once. Not very hard and crunchy. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Don't forget to share this recipe with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. All the recipes are there for free. And also, don't forget to click on the bell icon so you get further notification about the next recipe that I will be posting on my channel. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy your New Year. Happy New Year.